Greetings bakers, welcome to Breeze Food and Fun, and today we're going to be making these delicious crunchy plantain chips. So begin by removing the husks from 2 green plantains. Do this by cutting a slit into the plantain and removing the outer skin. Let me know if you want a short on this, I can definitely make one. Once you're done removing the husks, it's time to slice your plantains thinly. I achieved this by using a mandolin that my dad bought, so thanks Daddy. So a simple rundown of the process is to cut your plantain into fourths, stick it into the holding tool, and run it back and forth along your blade. I use the wavy blade, which gives the chips a wavy shape as you can see. Then I place the chips into a bowl of ice water and rub them in. This process helps to remove the starch from the chips so that they become more crispy. And here I am switching the blade. This is a straight blade, which means that the chips come out like regular plantain chips without any contours in the shape. And basically repeated the step of slicing the plantains. I just want to mention that you can slice the plantains using a knife, but a mandolin is easier to use. You want them to be about a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 inch thick. Here I am adding the other half of the plantain chips into the ice water and just let it sit for about 10 minutes. Once that's done, drain the water. I poured the water and the plantain chips into a colander, which drained out of the bowl underneath. Next, get a baking sheet and line it with napkin and line it with your plantain chips. Then get another napkin and dry your chips. I would even suggest drying them individually. You just want all of the water to be removed. Again, this ensures that our chips will be as crispy as possible. Once that's done and you've removed your napkin, transfer your plantain chips into a bowl. Now to season your chips, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and massage them into your chips using your hands. I'm air frying the first batch, so I place them onto the tray and I bake them at 325 for about 10 to 15 minutes. But adjust the time and temperature for your oven or air fryer. I'm baking the second batch in the oven, so I got a baking sheet, sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray, and layered them. And baked them at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Here's the final product. The first is the tray from the air fryer, and the second is from the oven. The ones from the air fryer are noticeably crispier, while the ones from the oven are crispy, but not as crispy. Both have great flavor and texture, so I really hope you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you later.